Hi everybody, today we're going to do an unboxing of this Bauer dual power portable fan. I got this fan because here in Texas it's hot. Lately it's been going like 110 sometimes. It's kind of too extreme on this heat, honestly. So this is a good idea to have a fan when it's hot. You're in your shop, you're building something or whatever. You have a table there and you build stuff in that table. I would highly recommend having a fan here. On that table. You do need a battery. This does not come with a battery or an extension cord, whichever way you want to go through. It's up to you. Battery and charger sold separately. If you got Bauer, you got the batteries and the charger, it's worth it. If you don't, then they always have good deals. I do want to give a heads up. Sometimes they do sell like a drill or something, but just keep in mind that if you do want this, just keep that in mind that if you're not in the Bauer line, you might want to think, if you don't like another brand like Hyper Tough or Hercules or something, DeWalt, I think almost every brand has a fan. I think only Makita, I could be wrong. But yeah, so I want to do an unboxing of this little guy and let's see. So we got a dual power, so this will accept, as I mentioned, a battery, 20 volt battery, or 120 volts, which with an extension cord. Dual power fan runs off a battery or electrical power. Compact, lightweight, design multiple hanging options, and 180-degree adjustable fan head. Okay, and over here it shows you battery or cord, whichever way, which is kind of nice to have those two options in my opinion. Trust me. Also for longer run time, you use 3 amp hour battery or greater. So we're gonna use 6 amp, I think it was, right? Give me a sec. Sorry about that. We're gonna use a 5 amp. I got that confused. Just in case somebody wants to know how they look like, this is how they look like, the 5 amp. So we're gonna start unboxing this little dude, and it's just a tool as I mentioned. Let's see. And also the model number is 1959C-B. Here we got all the back information, which is saying here. 7.5 blade diameter, provides up to 12 miles per hour and 250 CFM airspeed for a cool air work area. And it does say 180-degree adjustable head for multiple airflow directions. Also compact, lightweight design with built-in carrying handle for easy portability. We'll see where that's located in the back, so we'll see. 2 speed settings for cordless designed or controlling design airflow, and as I mentioned, tool only. 3 amp hour battery or bigger. Multiple hanging options includes freestand mounting holes and integrated raft hook. Okay, and then the airspeed 12 miles per hour, 250 CFM, 1,195 low to 2,045 high, and it weighs almost 4 pounds. Heavy duty guarantee, that's what they're saying. Usually here, they usually do give you a heads up on, hey, you get lifetime warranty or something. I don't see that. We'll see here in a minute. Maybe the book will say. Let's start unboxing this little dude, see how it looks. So, it is a big box, though. Sorry if the camera won't pick it up that well. There we are. So right off the bat, you get the owner's manual. It's pretty good. And you only get a limited 90-day warranty on this tool, so giving a heads up on that. Good to have it on this manual. Also, we got the fan wrapped in a bag. Let's get this guy out of here. Move this guy aside. And there we are. Here we got the Bauer fan. Let me get the bag off, and there we are. Okay, so here we got the fan. Let's see, nothing much. I'll just tilt it. Here's what the handle is, and the button's right here. Depending what speed you want. Let's see what else we're missing. We also got this little guy, where the cord will go and the battery will go here. And I forgot to mention the price for this little dude is like $24. So, if you're into the Bauer line, it's perfect, as I mentioned. If you're not, $24. You could just buy the fan and just have an extension cord if you just want to buy the fan and not be in the Bauer line, but that is an option. And as you can see, they're mountable 2 screws here, and 2 in the front. So you can see one here and one here with a Bauer in front. Also, you can hook it up on a piece of string or something. And we do have a little hook over here as well on this side in case you want to hang it on that side. And there are, some mountables here as well if you want to go that route too. If you want to always have the fan mounted in an area and take it off and put it back, there is that option. And I think that's it. I don't see anything else. Kind of the downside, I don't like how the switch is in the back here. Some have it up here in the front, like somewhere here. They could have added it here on one of the sides or something. But yeah, let's see how it runs. So give me a second, let me readjust the camera. So here we got the fan. And we do have a battery, which is fully charged. We're gonna plug it in the back, twist them around, and the battery will go where the battery goes. And you have to press the button in the back, which I mentioned I do not like that option, but here we go. That one was that the 2-speed or the 1-speed? That was 1-speed. And then we got the 2-speed right there. And this whole time, you might be asking, I do have another fan running. It's really quiet, it's only on 1-speed. We got a hyper top. As I mentioned, this guy's more expensive. And if you haven't seen my video, but this guy's more expensive. This guy goes for like a lot of money in my opinion. $75. Well, 74, but I'm putting 75. $75 for this fan. Has a 2-speed. Looks like the Bauer's a little more taller, but there is a huge difference between them. This one's cheaper. Good thing. They're both, could be used battery or, an extension cord, depending which way you want to go. Looks like this one's a bit taller than this one. A Hyper Tough, the only thing that wins, it has like little blades here. You can see maybe some teeth on the fan part. In case a little dog hair or something goes in there, it'll chop it in pieces. Sometimes some people have pets and their hair could be flying in there, and this kind of helps it, I think, or maybe for the airflow or something. As you can see here, there's a huge difference. They both have a handle on top, obviously, which is, and we got the batteries that are mounted differently. This one's a bigger flat surface than this one. But there we are. The only thing I don't like about the Bauer is, as I mentioned, the button here. See, we got a 1-speed, and it's a bit louder. I'll put 1-speed on the Hyper Tough. In my opinion, you kind of hear more on the Hercules. You hear louder, but the airflow, the Bauer's a little more louder. The Hyper Tough's a little more quieter. But if you don't mind about the noise, that's perfect, So far, it's a good fan to me. For $24, that ain't bad. We will be trying the extension cord as well. We'll put the Hyper Tough on the side. We don't need that no more. But I'm leaving it run so, we can stay cool because in here is hot. So give me a couple minutes and we'll get extension cord connected to it. Okay, as you can see, I got the extension cord connected. You can see there's light. Not fully turned it on. And we're gonna go down at 1-speed. There we are. Now we're gonna go down to 2-speed. Sounds like a bit louder, in my opinion, and if you go to the extension cord route, it's much better, in my opinion, because the reason will be you got unlimited power. But say like it's summer heat, electricity goes out. We don't want that to happen, but you can't control Mother Nature or whatever. It's a good option to have some batteries just in case the power goes out and it's really hot. You can get these fans out and you can cool yourself off, which now I got two, which one is Hyper Tough and one is Bauer. I will be buying a Hercules, maybe the wall, and Ryobi, all the other fans, and have them around. I don't mind having a couple more extras. I do like tools that have that 2 options instead of 1, because, you know, it's better for the system and everything. You know, it's better to have more than 1 option, as I mentioned. You know, it's better. So for $24 you get this fan. For an extra $6 more, because you get a Hercules, and it should be almost the same. I think just a couple things are different. I think you get like a dial here that you can change the speed. These two don't have that option, but I kind of like the Hyper Tough more. It's a little more quieter and it's a little more peaceful. You don't hear that fan going crazy. This one, you kind of hear the fan a little louder, you know, depending on what speed. So as I mentioned, you get yourself a 3 amp, a 5 amp, an 8 amp, whichever amount of battery you need. Just get it, in my opinion, if you want to have a long running fan during the summer heat. We all know we want to go to the shop, we want to fix something in our bench or table, or maybe you're somewhere, you're fixing up your car and you want a little bit of a fan where you're working at, so you know you don't dehydrate, you stay nice and cool and don't have a heat stroke, which, you know, heat strokes are not good. I would recommend getting these fans. I know there's some fans have an option where you can connect the water to it. I think that's Craftsman that does that. I'm not sure. I might buy one of theirs later down the road. But so far, I'm kind of liking more of the Hyper Tough. I know it cost me more, $74, $75. You can say I'm around the nearest, you know, dollar sometimes, so it's close to 75. And this one should be, you know, $25 almost, close to it. But I kind of like it more. Hyper Tough is more quiet. You know, on the buttons on the front, as I mentioned, it's right there, you know, right here, 2 speed, 1 speed, and you can turn off. The other one, you have to, you know, go in the back, and you have to flick it on and stuff, and I kind of don't like that option, because, you know, it gets annoying. You're like, I want to turn the fan. You have to turn your hand all the way to the back of the fan and activate it. You know, the perfect time is, like, say, like, you take the battery off, then you're going to put the battery, turn it around, get a battery, and you insert the battery, you're like, okay, I got it running, you know, we got it connected, then you activate it. There you go. That's perfect. But say, like, you know, you already have a battery on there, you're gonna have to put your hand over it. Over here, you just right here in front of me. I don't have to, you know, do anything unless you mount on the wall, and that's a different story, where you have to have it like a mount on the wall like this, and then, you know, your fan, you still will have to go over it, which, you know, there's not much different. But like this one over here, you will struggle if you put it on a wall, you know, because it'll be like this, and then you gotta look for it under the fan, which should be the same story. But, you know, some people usually have it at their benches and they have it in there. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Maybe later down the road I'll release another video of a Hercules and maybe other brands. We'll see. You know, right now, since I wanted to buy a Bauer, since here's been hot lately and I've been kind of doing stuff here in my house, I'm trying to remodel and everything, so, you know, it gets hot and, you know, I don't want to get sick or anything. So that's why I have fans here, and I've been buying them so I can stay cool as much as I can and rebuild my house a bit while I do, you know, because I have some days off sometimes in the summer and I want to rebuild it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Now, one more thing, and in case you do want to get batteries for these guys, Harbor Freight usually has deals. Just look up at their website, go to Harbor Freight, go to deals, go to Bauer. Usually they sell a battery with a tool or something, you know. And I just realized it has Bauer on the side. I think this one doesn't have anything. Yeah, this one is dead, you know, it's just red. But, you know, just in case somebody is looking for a battery for these, there's always deals. You can always get like some kind of impact wrench or something. So if you are looking for a deal like that, there's where you can look at. They always have a deal almost every 2 weeks or every month, depending how long the deal goes, and it's kind of worth it. All right, well, thanks for watching and have a good day.